Here's how you can change your funnel's URL path. If I open this opt-in page, then here you can see after the domain it have this dummy path. It will be the home page. So instead of this dummy text, it should have this home text. Just open the funnel tab and here you can see the URL path. And here you can see the dummy text. Just replace it with your desired text. And now if I open the funnel step, then see it's now changed. And the same way you can change the URL path for the thank you page. Just click here and open your thank you page. And here it also have this dummy text. I will replace it with thank you. Click here to view funnel step. And it's now have the clean URL path. That's it. This is how easy it is to change the URL path inside system.io.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check, give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead.